she come back again. I'm
Hey, what it do, my sweets? We're back with another video. This is from Outre, and this is part of their Color Bomb series. Yes, I have her in, I think it's JELISSE, and I have her in a pretty DR2 lilac milk color. So without further ado, we just gonna get her out of all of this box and off of this netting. This unit is very pretty straight out the box. It's very silky. So she is a bob cut. We got two combs off to either side. Here is the top, it's the middle part. The lace is very pretty. We have a comb in the back, and we also have the adjustable straps. Stretchability on here is pretty good. Here is our stock card with the beautiful colors. On the back, they offer you some more colors. Nice little color range that they have. And we do have pretty baby hair, so if you want to use baby hairs, they're there for you to use. And I love the dark purple on the back. I wish the whole wig was that color, but oh well. We're gonna pop her on and kind of see what we're working with here. Look at the color blend just coming through. That's really pretty. So straight out the box, she's really pretty. Like I said, she is very silky. So if you are one of the yucky girls, I am too, this may not be a unit for you, but she's really, really pretty, you guys. So far, so good, right? So here is the hairline up close and personal. Very pretty. Not a lot of lace to cut off. So if you are a newbie, that is awesome. Not a lot to do here. Here is the back, and here's how the back is looking. The cut is very beautiful. I really love the cut. They did a good job. But can we give 2 minutes to my specs here? Okay. My specs is so cute. But anywho, we're going to get back to this wig, y'all. I want to figure out what I want to do with her. How I want to lay her. I think she's really cute. I was trying to see like behind the ear or kind of what I wanted to do with her, but I also want to see if she was shiftable. See if I can kind of put her off to like the right hand side and kind of see. And I think you kind of can if you want like a good like asymmetrical kind of light type deal. I don't think it looked too bad. What y'all think? I don't know. I don't want to wear her just yet, but we'll see. But for right now, I'm going to take her off and we are going to tint her. And you guys, the tint spray will be listed below. You can also pick this up at Wig Types because I got it from there, but it's also on Amazon. So I'll leave that all in the description box for you. So I'm already cut off that lace, and then we are just going to pop her back on and see what we want to do here. And if you haven't been watching my channel, I love wearing like glueless wigs, but the wigs that I've been kind of reviewing lately don't give me that option. I was getting a lot of shedding on this wig, but of course you get that when you take it off. This one, it looks pretty good except for that one part that was lifting up. So I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna have to spray that down or not. I'm trying to avoid that because I don't feel like spraying stuff down at the moment. So I was like, okay, well, we'll see. This unit is heat safe up to 400 degrees. So I'll just kind of taking the hot comb and kind of going through it just a little bit. And then also to get that to not flip up, I don't know what happened to that part. I did record it, but I was showing you guys that I went and I put the adjustable straps in the back and I put them to the tightest part that I could put them so that the wig would not be shifting and moving. And actually, when I come back on and you see at the end, I didn't even use the combs. And the wig still looked really, really good because right now it just kept shifting even as I was trying to figure out what I wanted to do. And you don't want to be out and your wig is shifting, girl. Okay? That is a hot mess, y'all. Yes. So I'm going to use some of my foundation powder and I'm just going to go through and define that part. And I'm also going to put it around the edges of the hair. So now I'm just taking my foundation and just adding some more around those edges. Those part up under there you won't see, so I'm not really worried about that. Just want to make sure that the top blend is really good, because again, my goal is to wear this glueless. So I'm just going to take some of my spray and I'm going to kind of like comb it in there, and then because I want like a little bump at the top, little bump action. And then right there, I seen that I can kind of gather that hair, push the other hair back and just bring that towards the front. That will also help with that part that keeps lifting up. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit of spray, and then I spray myself all in the face to kind of keep that down right there. So I'm just going to go to the other side and do the same thing. Now I'm going to take all these combs out, and hopefully she is cute. Hopefully we got something that we can work with, y'all. All right, let's talk about it.
Hi sweets, welcome back to the channel today. Yes, we are here for another quick drip. It's about this beautiful purple color bomb ass unit on my head. Okay, y'all, if you want to know more, I guess you just gotta stay tuned. So without further ado, loves, we gonna hop right into it. Okay, I got to give 2 minutes to these specs. Okay, I got these off of Zulu, whatever you call them. Okay, and I paid like 25 bucks for these because I wanted the lenses in it, so I paid a little bit more. But honey, do you see that frame? Okay. As my eye technician says, she said these are fire, and yes, boo boo, they are fire. I love these glasses. I had to go get my real prescription lenses put in there, but honey, these are fire. If you want to know more, I have a lot more frames that I have bought for them for real cheap, and then I go and pay a little bit more coin, okay, to get my lenses in there. So if you guys want a video on where to get these like nice little cheap glasses and if they are worth your coin, go ahead and comment below if you want me to do a video of those, because I sure will. But we are going to take these off just so you can get a real good view of this beautiful color, honey. Yes, so we bought this unit like last year sometime when it first came out, and I am just now getting around to doing this review. And I think I bought it off of divatest.com, but it's not available on there anymore. But if you check the description box, it's available at a few other different sites, and it's also available on Amazon with quite a few colors, might I add, and on Prime. Okay, so go ahead and check the description box if this is a wig that you want to go ahead and pick up. But let's get into the specs. Today, this is Outre's, and this is part of their Color Bomb series, and I have JELISSE or JELISSE, and I have her in the color DR2 Lilac Melt. And she is of a synthetic fiber. She is silky. On the silky side, there is no yuckiness to her. If you don't like the silky type wigs, then this may not be one for you, but she is very, very silky. She has HD transparent lace. She's heat resistant up to 400 degrees. She has natural baby hairs, and it says it comes pre-plucked. And that's about pretty much it that they say about the description of the wig. I absolutely love it. It's really pretty. Now y'all know I gravitate, if you're new to my channel, I really gravitate towards the yaki units because it's more the texture of my hair, but some of these silky ones are really, really pretty. And this is one that I think that's absolutely gorgeous. I'm finally getting back to my glueless, okay? This one is totally glueless. I didn't have to taper nothing down, lay nothing down. I love that. I love just throwing on a wig and go. So for the newbies out there, if you're looking for something that's quick and easy, cut that lace off, tint it if you want to tint it. And then I had to pull the straps in the back a little bit tighter. That way I wouldn't have to melt it down on my face. And that absolutely worked a little bit good. I just took those adjustable straps and just made it really tight in the back. And I actually don't even have the combs kind of tucked in up under my wig grip. So it looks absolutely gorgeous and it looks really good, and I'm glad the way that it turned out. So this is very beginner friendly if you're looking to just throw on and go. And they really have some really nice colors, you guys. In this stock card, they really have some beautiful ones. The yellow one, I don't know if I would ever wear that, but here is the purple milk. They also have like this kind of blue tinted one. It's kind of hard to see on the stock card. And then they kind of have the green one and the red one, kind of reddish, kind of pink. It's really pretty. They really did some great color combinations on this line and on this unit. It's really pretty. So you guys know what we do on this channel. She's either a slay or nay. Comment below. Y'all know she's a slay for me, okay? For one, the color. I mean, hello. She's purple, my favorite color, okay? Royalty, honey, royalty. One thing I do wish is the darker color that's in the back. I wish they would make just one wig that deep dark purple, you know, without all the other kind of lighter color blends kind of into it. It's like every purple wig that I get now is kind of like costume kind of like looking. It's like I want something that I can go out and be grown up and sexy. Not saying that this ain't grown and sexy, but okay, this is only going to be worn to certain places. That deep, dark, pretty purple. I'm going to find me a wig, y'all. Trust me, I'm going to find me a wig, a deep, dark purple. If I got to color the damn wig myself, okay? I want me a purple wig. It's been a while since I had an all dark, pretty deep purple wig, okay? I wanted to match my phone, okay? Anybody got that new iPhone Pro? Yes, okay? Y'all should come back. So that's another thing. If you are new and if you are new here and you just slid in for this video, my name is Sweetie. Hello, welcome to the channel. I do a lot of wig reviews, but I also do reviews on things to where you may or may not want to spend your coin. So you never want to miss an upload. So make sure you subscribe and also turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any videos when I upload. Until then, my sweets, as always, follow me on my Instagram handle, also my TikTok. Come and see what I am doing on there. And until next time, my sweets, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.